looking this unit over first, let's take a look at what we have going on inside. We've got our little foam cap, a pickup. This is going to then be the drum for the bottom. It's threaded on the top, so I bet you can get replacements or different sizes as need be. Now, on the front, we are going to have an adjustable nozzle. Effectively, with this adjustable nozzle, when it's straight up and down like this, that means your spray pattern is going to go out flat. When it's 90 degrees, your spray pattern is going to be right up and down. And then in this kind of halfway mark like that, it's going to be a nice round spray pattern if you were going for some detail work. So that's pretty cool to see. And as we take the top off, yeah, you can see the air, your little nozzle for paint that's going to be picked up and shot through. And then this is a look at our spray nozzle. And then, of course, the tip right on the end. In the bag of accessories, looks like we've got quite a few goodies to work through. A new cap. This cap should be able to cap off of your paint, especially if you're not all the way done with your project. A couple more seals. Love to see that. Also inside of here, some replacement tips, a little cleaner. Then we're going to get this piece here, which you can use that for run out. So it allows you to test how much thinning you have to your paint. And in fact, they've got a nice little use guide here as far as how much thinning time or run out time that you need in seconds based on the type of paint that you're going to be sending through this gun. And then finally, this is pretty sweet. Comes with a carrying strap, because if you're doing a big job, that's going to allow you to be able to carry this floor-mounted unit if you needed to. Now, these two do slide together just like so you're able to put it up quite well. And to get everything assembled and put together, it looks like our air hose is compression fit on the back, and then we'll just click right into place with a twist. So that'll have everything together. So I've gotten the first two doors done, and I want to show you the pattern that comes out of it. Watch as we go through.